Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, let's make a waffle cone with jimmies and caramel for the kids. Okay, it's summertime. We have to make sure that we can keep the ice cream around because you know they love ice cream, especially in the summer. And what a fun way to present it to them, or you can make the cones with them. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me start out with the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is inspection. Inspection. Inspection is when you examine something to see what's wrong or to make sure things are right. So what about the inspection of you? Things you say that may not be proper. Things you do that may not be correct. Things you wear that is not presentable. Or what if your inspection of your personal property? Like inspecting your car when you hear a noise, or inspecting your car when you see something's wrong, or you hear a rattle. Inspection. We need to have inspection as part of our life, because when you do an inspection on anything or you're able to correct the wrongs. Inspection. Have you inspected yourself lately? Inspection. Have you inspected your personal property? Let's do that. Okay, that's the word of the day. Okay, so let's come on and make our cone, will we? Thanks. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below. Thank you. Okay. So I bought a box of waffle cones, and it's 12 waffle cones in this package. So I took some paper towels and I put down in the bottom of this jar so that the waffle cone would sit up a little higher. Okay, this is going to be like my stand. So you can improvise any way you like, okay? Now we're going to be working with some jimmies. These are colorful jimmies. I like the idea that they're different colors. And it's called sprinkles, okay? So the jimmies, they're called sprinkles. Okay, so I have some Brios. This is my favorite ice cream, Brios. I have vanilla and chocolate Brios ice cream. And I have some sugar-free caramel topping. Now you can use chocolate or whatever, butterscotch or whatever kind you like. I picked caramel. Okay, so what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the caramel around the edge of the cone, and then we're going to dip it into the sprinkles, and then we're going to put the ice cream in the waffle cone. Okay? Got the idea? Okay, so let's try that. So you know, caramel is usually very sticky, so that's why I picked the caramel to go around the edge. Now I want to make sure you can see me, so let me get this position right. Okay, we're good. So I'm going to put this caramel right around this edge, okay? Okay, and I'm letting it drip down so they can go all the way to the edge. Okay, and let me show you. So see, we have the caramel on the edge of the waffle cone, okay? I see a spot here I missed. Okay, now I poured some sprinkles in a bowl. And so I'm just going to roll the waffle cone into the sprinkles all the way around so I can get it on there really good. You notice I'm tilting the bowl to the side so that I can get a good grip on it. Look at that. How about that, huh? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, the kids would love this. Okay, so now I have my little handy holder here that I made. I'm going to put that there. Okay, I have some water in this bowl. I'm going to actually make it hot. Okay, I have some hot water to dip the scoop in because it's easier to get the ice cream out if the water is hot. So now I put the scoop in the hot water for a few minutes. I'm going to dip out the ice cream. Get a nice round scoop of ice cream. Okay. Now I'm going to put the ice cream here, and I want another scoop. And I'm going to get another scoop of ice cream. Okay, I have my ice cream on here. Now, I want to put some more caramel on the top. I need my bowl back. Right in the middle there. And now I'm going to put some sprinkles on it. I think I better use my hand this time. Look at that. Huh? How about that? Okay, I want to take a picture of that. So let me sit the ice cream down a minute. I'm going to move all of my stuff. Gotta do the cleanup, guys. Okay, look at that. Awesome. Okay. Okay, let me show you while I take a lick. Oh, why not? Uh-oh. Let me fix the camera. Okay, let me take a lick. Mmm. Good, guys, good. You bite into the sprinkles, and nice and sweet. I like the whole idea. Look at the presentation, would you? Okay, you try yours, okay? Talk to you soon. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks for hanging around. I really appreciate your support. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.